Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions and innovative investment strategies. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is December 21, 2022, Wednesday, the penultimate day of options expiry. So, Bank Nifty fell 41, closed 41,617.90, fell 1.7%. Nifty closed 18,199.10, 1% down. So, if you recollect the last 3 days, what happened? Bank Nifty was in particular hovering near the Bollinger Lower Band. In fact, day for yesterday it formed a inverted hammer, and yesterday, that is on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday it formed a solid green candle. Yesterday it opened lower, again it formed somewhere kind of green candle. However, there was inherent weakness. That was vivid when banks started cracking today, and Bank Nifty, which was supporting all these days, cracked significantly, and then it went down significantly. That is why you can see a significant underperformance by Bank Nifty as opposed to that of Nifty. So, Bank Nifty, which was near the middle band, it just fell significantly, and both indices are now below the Bollinger Lower Band. What it signifies? It signifies that means it has fallen dramatically. While falling, both Bank Nifty and Nifty fell below the exponential moving average, 5 exponential moving average, 10 exponential moving average, and because they were anywhere below the Bollinger middle band, which is nothing but the 20-day moving average, they fell below that, and also 20-day exponential moving average was also easily taken out in the case of Bank Nifty. So, with all these things, now the only thing that is holding for both Bank Nifty and Nifty is 50-day moving average for Bank Nifty, which is somewhere around 18,102 levels or so. So, that is something which is holding for Nifty. In the case of Bank Nifty, it is at 41,900 odd levels. 50-day moving average is there. However, I don't think that tomorrow again you will have a significant fall, but yes, tomorrow there might be a sideways movement with a short, small pullback that can happen. But having said that, overall the texture has been sideways with downward bias, which we have told 6-7 days back itself. It was a drifting sideways, which we have been cautioning. So, in the weekly chart, when we analyze the weekly chart, it was drifting, and then now it is now about to go and touch the exponential moving average, 10 exponential moving average. So, with this background, we have to be very cautious in the next few days, and then come January, we will see how things take up. Let's analyze the individual components. Banks, AU and HDFC Bank fell 1%, Axis, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, Kotak and SBI fell 2%, Federal fell 3%. If you recollect, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, we have been telling that 1797 is the closure for 2021 year-end closure. So, it might go somewhere near that. Today, the low was 1809. So, Axis Bank, which was holding, that fell, and that is why Bank Nifty had a severe fall. Of course, HDFC Bank was also holding, but today that also fell. Axis, ICICI, we told that it is weak. So, SBI was something which was sideways. I would not categorize it as a weakness, but with all this fall, that also fell. So, with all these things, we have to wait for some more time before it recoups, and then we will see how things shape up. In the case of financials, HDFC, LIC Housing Finance, Shriram fell 1%, Bajaj Twins fell 2%, Chola M&M and L&T Finance 3%, IDFC fell 4%. The exception was Manappuram, which was up by 1%. So, in the case of HDFC, Bajaj Twins, I have been telling for quite some time that Bajaj Finance is very weak, and many people were coming and saying Bajaj Finance is a great buy, good buy, all those things. I said no, technically it is looking weak. While fundamentally it might be a great stock, technically it is weak. That is what we have been telling. That is what happened. So, Chola, of course, Chola should not go below 700 levels. If that goes, then probably a severe breakdown will happen on Chola. HDFC, it is again like any other stock, it went below the exponential moving average, which is not a good sign. On the insurance and cards, ICICI General fell 1%, LIC had a big fall of 5%, while all others remained flat. In the IT, Apple, Intellect fell 1%, HCL, LTIM and TCS up by 1%. Though these are up by 1%, there was no conviction in the up move, hence we have to see. But having said that, the last month's low should hold as support for all these IT stocks, which you have been telling for quite some time. On the consumer goods, Colpal, ITC, Page and Titan fell 1%, DMart and Britannia fell 2%, ABFRL and Trent 3%, PVR fell by 4%. Nestle was again an exception in consumer goods, it just jumped up by 1%. Automobiles, oil and telecom, both Bharati and Reliance fell. Reliance fell 1%, while Bharati had a big fall up to 2%. Automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Eicher, Hero Motors and M&M fell 1%. Bharat Forge, Escorts, Maruti, Tata Motors and TVS fell 2%. Motors and Sumi up by 1%. Metals, coal, SAIL, Tata Steel, National Aluminium all fell 1%. NMDC 2% down, Vedanta 3% down. Others remain flat like JSW, Jindal and everything. So Jindal, I said metal is something which will have problems in 2023, Jindal and other things with China lockdown. Again, the next sector, health and pharma, with COVID threatening in China, again these sectors looked up, but one has to be cautious with certain stocks because just because COVID we know how to manage, there is past experience, and now COVID is part of our BAU, business as usual. Hence, now any up move in these stocks, one has to be cautious. With this, Apollo Hospitals and Cipla moved up by 3%, Dr. Reddy's up by 1%, Sun Pharma 2% up, Divi's Lab 5% up, Lalpath 6% up, Metropolis 7% up, Thyrocare 15% up. So, of course, it's a combination of many factors because it fell significantly in the last few months, and hence now there is some amount of short covering and pullback and year-end closing adjustment. All those things are happening. Nevertheless, one has to be very cautious not to be taken away granted because of COVID and other things and just riding along the wave. Just one has to be cautious with all these stocks. Others, L&T, Godrej Properties, Havells fell 1%, DLF, APL, Apollo, IEX, Indigo, IndiaMart, Ultratech, Zomato fell 2%, Adani Ports, MCX and IRCTC 3%, Delta Corp and Nykaa 5%, Adani Enterprises had a big fall of 6%. With all these things, what do we expect? Yesterday also we gave a support and resistance level that held, but still I would request investors to look for lower support and accordingly invest or trade whatever they want to do. Discuss with your investment advisor. But the 50-day moving average in BankNifty, which is at 41,952, should hold as a strong support. On the resistance level, 43,921.60, this is nothing but the Bollinger upper band in the daily chart. Of course, that's way too far away. Even Bollinger middle band should act as resistance, but yes, as I said, like we generally give a wide range so that it is like always Nifty or BankNifty closes within that range. Nifty 17,959.20, this is nothing but November low, November month of low, and on the upward side it is 18,696.20, this is nothing but previous week's high. So I am sure with all these things, happy investing. Thank you very much.